Who is she? Who is she?
She's my friend. She's my friend.
Are you sick? Are you sick?
Yes, I'm sick. Yes, I'm sick.
What's your profession? What's your profession?
I am a doctor. I am a doctor.
Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry. Yes, I'm hungry.
What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food?
I love Gujarati thali. I love Gujarati thali.
What are your symptoms? What are your symptoms?
I've got a headache. I've got a headache.
How's the weather? How's the weather?
It is raining. It is raining.
What's on your mind? What's on your mind?
I am just thinking. I am just thinking.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
I am going to a store. I am going to a store.
How was the party? How was the party?
It was good. It was good.
What is it? What is it?
It's panipuri. It's panipuri.
How does it taste? How does it taste?
It's delicious. It's delicious.